In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an app in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to go from a blank workspace to a customized working app that fits your workflow. First, head over to your Airtable dashboard and make sure you're signed in. This is the main home screen where you see all your existing bases and workspaces. Think of it as your control center. From here, you can either open something you've already created or start completely fresh, which is what we're doing today. On the dashboard, look for the Create button. This is usually prominent, and it's your starting point for anything new in Airtable. Go ahead and click Create. Airtable will show you a few options, like starting from a template or from a blank base. For this tutorial, choose the option that says Build an app on your own. This gives you full control over the structure of your app instead of forcing you into a pre-made layout. Once you click it, Airtable will open a new base with a default table ready for you to customize. You'll see a primary field at the top of the first column, often called something like Name. Click on that name field and rename it to match what your app is about. For example, if you're building a task manager, you might call it Task Name. This field is important because it's the main identifier for each record in your app. Now you can start customizing your columns. Change field types to match your data, text, dates, checkboxes, single or multiple select, attachments, and so on. You can add colors to your table using single or multiple select fields, which makes it easier to visually scan your information. Take a moment to sort your items, group them by key fields, apply filters, and adjust formatting so everything is easy to read. You can also create new views, which are different ways of looking at the same data. For example, you might build a grid view for detailed editing, a calendar view to see deadlines, a Kanban view for workflows, or a dashboard-style interface for a quick overview. Start adding or importing content into your grid view, so these other views have something to display. Beyond the basics, Airtable lets you add automations, interfaces, and forms. Automations can send notifications, update records, or connect with other tools when certain conditions are met. Interfaces let you design more polished, app-like experiences for yourself or your team. Forms are perfect for collecting data from others directly into your app. Finally, you can use Airtable's Omni AI to speed things up. Instead of building everything manually, you can type a prompt describing the app you want, and let the AI generate tables, fields, and structures for you. This can be much faster, especially for complex setups, and you can always tweak the results afterward to